Never keep all your eggs in one basket. I heard this term very often in my office. Since I work for the travel company, I see a lot of guide coming into our office and discussing different things, and they said this term quite frequently. And I explored it further and got to know that what it basically means. So I saw their situation. Then these tour guides are basically freelance tour guides. They work for as a freelancer. They don't have any permanent job as such. So what usually happens if they work with only one company dedicatedly, and for example, God forbidden, they have any bad report from the clients, from the travelers who travel with them, and they give any negative feedback or bad feedback, their whole season is gone, their whole job is gone from that particular company, and they are jobless for rest of the season, and it is so very difficult to get work during the season time, and everything is allotted, and this is the very short period of time of work. It only happens for 6 to 8 months, not more than that. So their entire year's income is dependent upon these 8 or 6 months, and if they have any negative or bad report, their entire scene, their entire salary or their entire income is all gone. So that is the reason these people, means most of them, majority of them in the travel trade, they work for 2-3 different companies just in case they have any bad feedback. Because of any reason, they have some other source of income. So this fits very well during the present time. Most of the people in our life, we rely on only one source of income, and all of a sudden, from out of nowhere, things like this COVID-19 happens, and most of the people become jobless since they don't have any alternate source of income. So it is so challenging for each and everyone to have a regular source of income. Without revenue, life is indeed difficult. So it is always so very important to understand that we should never keep all our eggs in one basket. We should always have one or two, or maybe a side business, a small setup where we get some sort of regular income from, so that if these things happen, which are very certain, as happened with many people during this COVID-19 time. So this can happen anytime, and means things can rapidly change, and things can go against any time without any intimation as such. So we should be prepared for it, and we should always have other source of income also. So that was it about always keep your eggs in different baskets. Thank you so much for your time.